In this video I'm just going to show how to remove the security bolts fitted on Volkswagen Audi Group. Quite a few other manufacturers are using these bolts to secure the ECU onto the vehicle. This is just a demonstration. Obviously the wiring loom has been cut in a real vehicle. Obviously that will be connected to the wiring loom, and you'll be trying to get the ECU off the vehicle, and you can't take out these connectors, out the block connector, because this cage is around it, prevent you from opening it up. So what we're going to use, all you need to do is have a Dremel and a screwdriver. I'm just going to cut through, cut a line into this to put the screwdriver in and just undo the screws. So what I'm going to do now is just going to use this Dremel. This Dremel's from Macklin. You can get these all off the internet. This one does the job. I'm going to use the Dremel to cut a line in and undo the screw. I'll just pause the video while we start the Dremel up. So now I've cut an insert now to put the screwdriver in. So that's in there. Now we can just undo this like a normal screw. You could do the same on these other screws. Then the security shield is then removed, and you can undo the block connector and remove ECU from the vehicle. Thank you.